Kennedy Mobile Junior. And other things.
And other things.
Yeah.
So, what are you doing personally from what you have learned?
Now, actually, I applying some computer knowledge at my school campus, doing assignment on some computer. But now I don't have my own personal computer, but I can use some other people computer to do my assignment.
Yeah, that's good. So, is there any thing you want to say to our partner, Anike Foundation?
Yeah. I want to see big thanks to them that they keep on supporting your organization. Many people will always like to come to the institution to seek computer knowledge.
Okay. So
I'm Seguias College Junior.
How are you going to use the knowledge that you have acquired here?
The knowledge I acquired from Anike Foundation training program, I'm going to use it so many ways.
Okay.
One of the way I'm going to use my knowledge is by helping people who in need, people who want to learn about Microsoft or Office. I'm going to help you. If you want to learn how to create a file or photos, I'm going to help you, and I can also help you to type.
Okay, so what can you say to Anike Foundation? What can you tell the people?
To the Anike Foundation, I just want to appreciate them a lot for what they have done for us, for running up this free service.
Okay.
But there's a free service. We came to learn about computer. They are just running out of service for us, and I just want to appreciate them for what they did for us.
Okay. All right, thank you. It was nice talking to you.
My name is Martin F. Buchanan. I have learned how to work on the Microsoft Word and other like the Windows, the introduction to computer. I learned a lot.
But with the assistance from Anike Foundation, what's your recommendation to them?
Yeah. To Anike Foundation, my recommendation to them is to tell them thank you for bringing 3 more training.
Okay.
And also, I want for them to continue to enforce the training.
Okay. That's great. And you said.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jackson. Can you tell me what led you to come for the 3-month program?
Oh yeah.
Computer program.
Yeah, one person I saw a fellow who gave me information. I love this place and I want it to be part of my life. Right now I'm on TV forum on Microsoft for typing in some documents, giving out information, putting some.
Well, what are some of the out there? How you decided to help other people out there?
Yeah, firstly I decided to help people in my school. Whenever we in a computer lab, school now are facing some difficult things to boot computer, to delete folder, to create folder. Go and help them to boot, to delete, and to open a Microsoft to help you.
So you've been helping your friend. Good afternoon. Like to create folders or file, can you do that for me?
Yes, firstly, click on the screen, on the desktop, and go to new and click on folder. Then you go and delete and put your name. That's how you create folder on your computer.
Thank you very much.